Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of luxury watches. It's a Swiss watch brand, known for its commitment to high-quality craftsmanship and innovative designs. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Alpina, Alpina, Al, P, Na, Alpina. Alpina is celebrated for its iconic collections, such as the Alpina Alpina and the Statima series, which are designed to withstand extreme conditions and offer exceptional performance. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Alpina, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.